Yeah, so we have to sing them forget.
Yeah, we have to sing forget, right?
And we just buy the lot and 2 before. And that alone at 60,000. And that was to frame it.
Yeah, that's how we must frame.
And them think that Corona price, because I know one time it never did so much.
Seed in bed 990.
And the seed in bed 990.
Seed 990.
Yeah. So that's why we have to give thanks for what we have so far, and we're asking all the viewers, them, the donors, them, you know, some assistance to come on board with Donna project, because as they can see, you know, it's always going to need some form of support on this journey, you know, because boy, Corona spike up all the prices for everything. So it's like we're paying double plus the tax, all the tax. Boy, I tell you, Jamaica kill it with tax. The tax alone come like say near the price.
Don't go there that, you know.
Yes, Mr. Chin. Yeah, man, I continue my life. Yeah, man, the wisdom where you give me the other day, you know, a lot of people learn from it, you know.
Hold on a minute.
Eh? The whiskey. Oh, champagne.
White rum, white rum. I'm not drinking, you know.
You want no drink?
Yeah. I'm not lose the case.
Yeah, no, lose the case.
I'm not a time for me.
Yes, I met them know. Mr. Chin on the bass. Jeez. Good color, man. Now you blind the camera. Color blind. You mean them bad colors?
Yeah, Ashwin's them the real one here.
Sure.
Yeah.
You mean the camera color blind?
No. Yeah, so we just sit down, get ready and put on some more. You know, want to put on the outfit here or something different?
When you say viewers, comment it and tell them what you want him put on. That one, that's what the Louis Vuitton.
This outfit.
That's the outfit.
I have a next, I have a next bad one for you know.
Yeah.
Because you never see me in this outfit.
No, they'll never see this one. They never see this one. And you have this one. Wow, Chanel one this.
Chanel, yeah.
Jeez. Chanel and Woody Chantel. Oh, this is Chantel, so you have Chanel and Chantel. You get back a phone?
Yeah, when I come home, I'll show you.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Go put on your Chanel and Chantel.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
Your daughter called me, you know. Mary. She called me. Yeah, she said she watched the video. And she called me. And said, yo, I saw the video when you interviewed my dad. She called me a couple days ago. Yeah, I remember I tell me, say, I'm going to meet your daughter. You know, and she do call me. So she buck up on the video. It's Albert with him drops away.
No, I'm not going, man.
Nagar, good man.
You must
Albert, some chops away.
You know what's on?
Yeah, man. Chops away, of course. Oh, she will cook chops away today. Yeah, I'll cook some chops away today. First, I put some starfish in the phone, no?
Yeah, man.
With some boiled dumpling.
Yes, that's nice, you know.
That's nice though. With some boiled dumpling and so it seems like I'm gonna need a make him count them first. Get something bowl chef. get something and we can count them.
You want more life and stuff?
You know, life great, you know, man.
A nice thing you have, you know.
How much you sell it for again? So remind me again. Or you sell it again?
How much are that?
No man, we are buying, so just tell me again how much you sell it for.
Well, you see this, huh?
No man, just give me a price. How much is it?
Here's my brother.
Yeah, no, but still, business.
Yeah. Show this now. Come on, give me just a 20. That was a gap price.
At 20?
Yeah, 20.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see this one now? Let's give me 5 days. Yeah, 24 days.
Alright, put more upon it, like I said 5 days.
Put more upon it, 25 days.
Put more upon it.
It's no can give you now.
Yeah. Alright, so we are cook them today with some dumpling, my brother.
Yeah.
No, so for your daughter there? I never ask her still.
No, me
never ask her.
Me different from she. Me not a goat. 30 she.
30 that? Eh?
Yeah, goat. You have any goat? You have any friend have any goat? You have one for goat, man. Look at it. The numbers are like this. Oh yeah.
Oh, that goat feet. Goat. Yeah.
Borrow 2 feet goat. 30 already. 30?
Yeah.
30 already.
Goat feet again. One day.
There, bro.
Thing go, yes, I. There, not long reach as well.
I'm soon I come them say they don't have.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Oh. I see. Yes, Mr. How much they got already, Albert? 35.
Yeah.
35. Check that. 40 that, Albert.
Yeah, you start to now?
Nah, man, wow, chef, still want more, because them that go shrink. Say, come like we have got empty the box we have. Yeah. Okay, how much that? 35?
No, 45 minutes.
45 means, sorry, 45. I finish them?
Yes.
46. Donna, 46. Albert, this is 46. How much you sell normally? What's the price you sell them for?
Me sell 5 of them. 5 of them for a bill.
Oh.
Wholesale price, me sell for
Oh, 5 of them for $100.
right.
And that's how much?
45 beer.
So I'm telling you, see, we have one. See, you know, Bear, him is an artist. He's so good at maths.
Check up.
Yeah? I'm going to show you because I run out of breath. To the song name Run Out of Breath. But he's so good in maths. He's one of the best students in Trenchtown in maths. You know? So Bear. So
45 of them at 101.
yeah.
That's our $50 one. Alright. $10 one. $4.50. Isn't it? $10 one, 45, 450, and 100 of them. So 450. 10 times 450. 45 of them.
Yes, Bear. What go on, Bear?
One of them. 45 of them. $100.
100 for 5.
5 into 45 goes 9 times. 9 100 and $900. 5 of $100 and 45. 5 into 45 goes 9 times. See me? So 9 $100. That's $900.
$900. And that's Bear as a deer.
Yeah.
Run out of bread.
Run out of bread.
But it no run out of mathematics. No, it no run out of mathematics. Alright. So that is what? $900 you say?
Yeah.
Alright. So that's 900.
You're not no goat.
Yeah, give me them up.
You don't have more gold.
Give me them, man. I give you them.
Yes.
That was under the bag.
Mr. Albert, that's 900. Right, and this is
On the right hand.
the right time you come. Sure. And this is $2,000. That's $2,000 there for you, right? So that's $2,000 for you. I will give thanks for the work that you've been putting on.
When I come on my yard, so
Like I said, one time, you know when the spirit tell me to come and check you. Yes, Mr. Chin. Yeah, man, I'm continue my life. Yeah, man, the wisdom where you give me the other day,
yeah.
you know, a lot of people learn from it, you know.
Hold on a minute. You tell me something. For the whiskey.
Eh?
For the whiskey.
The whiskey. Oh, champagne.
White rum, man, white rum. I'm not drinking, no.
You want no drink? Yeah.
I'm not lose the case.
Yeah, no, lose the case.
I'm not a time for wait.
Yes, I make them know. Mr. Chin on the bass.
Go on, we can't pick up pedal now. When you come my yard,
May I come, man? Yeah, man. I come give you a check again one of them days.
You know, but sure.
Yes, I cook some chops away.
You mean if I cook, because my man, I'm a big cooker, you know.
I believe you. I'm telling you, I'm Chinese, uncle. Remember, you have the Chinese
My
here.
name is Albert Chin, man. You can't cook, man.
Chop suey.
Me sweet and chop and
Oh,
anything you take me from. Every what my cook shop, me run it, my one.
so it seems like I have to go put in another 1 year. Because it's the chef, the wow chef, so I have to go put it in there. Right? You know, Barnaby, I put him at the shop. We have Mr. Wow Chin. You know what we have in the shop name? Mr. Wow Chin. You hear that? Mr. Wow Chin. Mr. Wow Chin.
Like the name.
Yeah.
On the work, man.
Yeah. At the right time come, man, Albert. It's the right time, man. I imagine them just come as well. Just come, Albert. But right safe, man. You can go and go rest early today.
Over there, man. I go back in the right now. And buy a little thing and go home.
Yeah, you come and cut up again.
No, I'm not make nothing till tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Next day.
Alright. Albert Chin, man. Man with the wise words. Wisdom.
One thing I like.
Yeah, man, we'll just get some flour and cook that up, you know? Yeah.
When I come down here tomorrow, I'm change the road.
Alright, change the road.
Tomorrow. Friday, you see me.
Friday. Alright then.
Back on a Friday.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, I'm not going to tell me. I make roots too, you know.
You tell me, man. Oh, yeah.
I'm not too back on, you know. Alright, change the root and strong back and sure, them things are powerful, you know.
Sure, you know.
Do what you have to do.
Yeah. Alright, uncle, take it easy, eh? Take it easy, uncle.
I pull them off, give the band them still, you know. Yeah, man, respect. You want the band them, man, you're alright. I'm
Good, man.
nice, man.
You think nice, man. Albert, that you know, you think nice. Yeah. Oh, that Joe. Yes, uncle. Joe just flying off of the plane. Take care, your uncle. I'll come and see you soon.
You're not seeing me tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow.
Friday.
Alright then. Yeah.
May we see the house.
Yeah, man, we reason.
Guidance.
Albert. Person after school say anger management. Him take it up getting ignorant. Yeah. Measurement time now. For them tough?
Ramovich.
Romovich, I got to Rum Lord.
But the wall there.
You want it then?
Alright. So then I cross board.
Yeah, but no one.
Remember them have to hang over like, you know.
No. This it I go.
Yeah, I want them one hang over there. The sideway one them, the last. Yeah, the last that make me sit over hang over.
We have to have 16. So, Kino. We have 17, 16, the right hand is still a shot and not coming out. That's the way into the fly stone.
What?
10. Hold it back. We'll better by 10.
Instead of by 12.
Alright. By 17, that's 14. 14. Alright, yes and no. Go out.
Yeah.
1, 3 so. 2 here. Up on this up. 10. Now 4. 14 is a 10. La. 4 feet. 16
No, no, 20. So the budget here goes about 20 up there.
Then must be so that's what I'm saying. So 16 I'm coming at
Bring me some 20.
some 20. 16 plus some. So we say 14 pizza, 4 by 10. Yeah.
1, 6, 12. 12.
Voilà. Oh, because we want to do the ceiling bed too. So pen.
Yeah. Number guess, huh?
$24 5, $29. Alright, so this is here.
Smiley baby dream sleeping.
You know, on top when him there, fire like a craft. We run the way him there, we not run. Alicia, come in. You ready?
Yeah.
Smile, wow.
Colors, what's going on? Pat. Yeah. Where you gonna wash?
No man, a banana. A banana them are
Oh, yeah, do them here? You sell them?
If I'm selling these,
We have this so much colors.
they don't know what always.
Colors are.
These clothes they was over a washer lady.
Oh,
So
jeez.
so,
Good color, man.
yeah,
But you blind the camera. You color blind. Yeah, me and them bad colors.
Yeah, Ashwin's them the real one here.
Sure.
Yeah.
They make the camera color blind.
No. Yeah, so we just sit down and get ready and put on some more. You know, want to put on the outfit here or something different?
When you say viewers, comment it and tell them what you want him put on. That one, that's what the Louis Vuitton.
This outfit.
That's the outfit.
I have a next bad one for you know.
Yeah.
Cause you never see me in this outfit.
No, they never see this one. They never see this one. And you have this one. Wow, Chanel one this.
Chanel, yeah.
Jeez. Chanel and who is Chantel? Oh, this is Chantel. So you have Chanel and Chantel. You get back a phone?
Yeah, when I come home, I'll show you.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Go put on your Chanel and Chantel before you make
I
them.
get ready and fall.
And put on Louis before them kind of get miserable. So you dirty them up. Alright, colors.
Yeah, man, so far.
Yeah. Because we're here about the zinc price.
Heavy.
Better yesterday after the zinc. You get the zinc at what? 100 and... 130 for the single zinc there. For the amount of zinc. And for the custom one 107,000. Yes. Alone. So what Carolina price though? This is a Carolina price. Why? I really Carolina price them I give you Barja. Them person.
It's too big one.
So Barja, so basically, what we doing today now?
Go line up the roof.
Yeah, Barja, so we're going to line up the roof today, right?
Yeah, we can do that now and put on some roof and things.
Yeah.
Get things going, you know?
Yeah.
I'm overdue, so I put in the work now.
Yeah.
So far, we can get it.
Because I don't know what I always explain to them, say you have to go up on the road, see me. Because it ends up for me, so we always explain to Barja as a man of volunteer because he have him work, see me. So when we get the time, we have to make use of it.
Go and make the best use of it.
Yeah, because I'm saying this is all volunteer, everyone volunteer. And now like, we'll give thanks to whoever reached so far. So
And you know, say once roof on, you know, I live in, you know.
I live in one roof and yeah. The ones, yeah. The Ilti can chop it out though.
Yeah.
Cowley.
Cut the market and then
Yeah.
chop.
But I'm not lie though.
No, the wind, our window on this.
The way Carolina spike up all the price, I couldn't
Yeah, man,
believe.
serious, man.
Just couldn't believe.
Because of the zinc alone, a while ago, boy.
Window 2 foot, 2 by 2.
Yeah, 2 by 2.
So people, so we never buy the zinc as yet.
But go over where name there.
Which one?
Go 1 inch over. Away you
Oh.
25.
Yeah, so we have to zinc them forget.
Yeah, what the zinc to get right.
And we just buy the lot and two before. And that alone at 60,000. And that was to frame it.
Yeah, that's how it's a frame.
And them think that Carolina price, because I know one time it never did so much.
Ceiling bed 990.
And the ceiling bed 99.
Zinc 990.
Yeah. So that's why we have to give thanks for what we have so far, and we're asking all the viewers them, the donors them, you know, some assistance to come on board with Donna project, because as they can see, you know, it's always gonna need some form of support on this journey. You know, because boy, Corona spike up all the prices for everything. So it's like we're paying double plus the tax, all the tax. Boy, I tell you, Jamaica kill you with tax. The tax alone come like say near the price.
Don't go there, that, you know.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.